they also need to defend that evidence from challenges to the validity and to the interpretation of the research results. First of all, today, because of the web, it's different because we have so many opportunities to identify problems that we want to research. So for example, we have a population that shares a common characteristic, men having sex with men, not any men. And in only 1 month, March to April 2020, they collected 2,562 participants of people that are sharing one specific characteristic. So what is shown here is that people tend to give us more honest and less socially desirable answers when they answer online questionnaires compared to face-to-face or personal. So one thing is that we could have people participating in our study, but it can be biased because they can actually be the ones that are more attracted to the topic. Qualitative research, which can be passive or active analysis, when behavior of research participants occurs in a private context where an individual can reasonably expect that no observation or reporting is taking place. It is extremely large data sets that can be analyzed computationally to reveal patterns, trends, associations, especially relating to human behavior and interaction.